Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this time I have come up with a completely different content. I am mostly into artworks, but I felt like posting something techy this time. So in this video I am going to show you how you can create a partition on a Windows operating system. I have Windows 10 with me, but the process for partition remains same for Windows 7 or 8. And I think most of us do not know how is it done, so let's get started. So first of all, open this PC on your desktop. Then again go to this PC option and choose Manage. This opens a computer management window. So in here what you need to do is go to the storage section and select disk management. This is how it will look. It shows all the volumes that are present on your computer, their type and the status. So here in disk 0 you will see the system reserved memory, and next to which is the main C drive. So for example, since I don't want to partition the C drive because it has system files, I will move on to the next volume. Here just right click on the volume and choose shrink volume. It might take some time, so it opens a window shrink with the volume name. It shows total size before shrink, then size of available shrink space, and then it will ask to enter the amount of space to shrink in megabytes. So in my case I want to create a new volume of 5 GB, so I will type 5000 since 1 GB is equal to 1000 MB. So a new volume is created which is at present unallocated. Now you need to right click on it and choose new simple volume. A new window opens. Click next and don't change the options. Let it be by default since you want to use the complete 5 GB of course. Now you can assign a letter to your volume or just leave it by default. Then click next. You can give a name to your new volume, like I will keep it as YouTube. Then if you want that, you should be able to compress the files present in your new volume, then you can choose this option. Then click next. Now for once just go through the settings you made and click finish. So our new volume named YouTube is created and now it is available to be used. Now maybe if you want to reverse the process, like you want to delete this volume or you want to expand the volume, you think 5 GB isn't enough for you. So for that, repeat the first few steps. Go to this PC, choose Manage, then choose Disk Management. Here you will see the volume which you have created. You need to right click on the volume and choose Delete Volume. And of course, if you have any data in it, then you should have a backup. So now it says the volume is unallocated. We will now right click on the volume which we have shrinked previously. Choose Extend Volume. It opens Extend Volume wizard. Just choose Next and let everything remain by default, and lastly click Finish. This will complete the process. So now we have extended the volume which was previously shrinked. Thanks a lot for watching, and let's aim for 500 subscribers. So share and subscribe the channel if you like it.